Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Dr. Azidin Muhammad Razadi. Today my group will present about assignment 2, which is mathematical model and simulation of a DC motor. My group member is me myself, Naziratul Nazima binti Arifin, and my team member Siti Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Zulkifli. Okay, next I will pass to Aisyah to present about the introduction.
Okay, for introduction, this is separately excited DC motor circuit. This study is used separately excited DC motor. A separately excited DC motor is a motor whose phase circuit is supplied from a separate constant voltage power supply. Separately excited DC motor has a field and armature winding separate supply voltage. Field winding supply field flux to armature. When DC voltage is applied to motor, current is feed to the armature winding through brush and commutator. Sign photo is placed in magnetic field and it is carrying current also. So motor will develop a back EMF and a torque to balance load torque and at particular speed motor.
Next, for the block diagram of separately excited DC motor, okay, it have three parts, which is voltage equation of at armature winding, voltage equation at field winding, and torque equation. Okay, for the block diagram, the gain block is writing the formula of the gain of the parameter, which and the value of the parameter has been written at the editor of the MATLAB, and then the run button has been pressed to key in the parameter at the MATLAB, and the display block has been used to display the output parameter for IA, IF, TE and speed. Next. Okay, this is the simulation graph for dynamic performance during starting. Okay, during this state, the load torque has been maintained at 0 Nm, and it produces a sine wave graph, and it have the sine wave has been rapat, so it produces this kind of graph. Okay, next. Okay, the second is the dynamic performance during sudden change in load torque, which is the load torque has been changed from 4 seconds, the 0 Nm has been changed to the 2 Nm, and it produce the different type of graph waveform from the previous waveform. Next. Motor performance during sudden change in armature voltage. At this stage, the armature voltage has been reduced from 240 volt to 120. As we can see at the VA graph, the graph has been reduced up to 120, and the IA graph for IA, the waveform graph for IA and speed, the waveform has been bigger than the others, than the previous waveform. And as you can see, the sine wave produced is larger than each other. Next, for the result part, this table present for the result simulation and calculation for each performance dynamic. And we can see that the result for calculation and simulation is slightly same for each parameter, and we can conclude that if the value of voltage armature is decreased, the value of speed also decrease, as we can see in table 3. Next.
Okay, next for the calculation, dynamic performance during starting when TL equals 0 Nm and VA is equal to 240 volt. Okay, first we use develop equation for find armature current. Okay, then we find the say current by using VF over RF, and we got 1 ampere. And in steady state, di over dt equal to 0. Then we apply substitute the value of IA and IF into equation VA equal IA times RA plus EA. Okay, then we got the rotor speed value 133.33 radian per second. Then plus we got IA and IA equal 7.4 milliampere, and developed torque is 0.013 Nm. Next, this is calculation for dynamic performance during sudden change in load torque when TL equal to Nm and VA estimating is 240. Then we still apply the same formula. Here we got IA, then IF equal 1 ampere, and then we got rotor speed is 132.96 radian per second, and for IA equal 1.12 ampere, and developed torque is 2.01 Nm. Okay, lastly is calculation for motor performance during sudden change in armature voltage when the VF estimated equal to Nm and the VA reduced to 120. Okay, they use the same formula. First, find IA and IF. We got 1 ampere, and then substitute IF and IA, and then we got the rotor speed 9.29 radian per second. Then lastly, we got armature current equal 1.11 ampere, and last load torque, developed torque equal to 2 Nm.
Next, for the calculation, we can conclude that the separately excited DC motor has been successfully modeling by using MATLAB Simulink. The simulation of MATLAB Simulink showed a good result for armature current, feed current, and torque by varying the value of load torque. Other than that, the value for both calculation and simulation has slightly same for each dynamic performance that as shown in the table previous. Meanwhile, for the rotor speed, the graph waveform show different waveform for each dynamic performance due to different value applied at load torque. And lastly, we can conclude that when the voltage change from 224 volt to 120 volt, the value of rotor speed also decrease. Thank you.